In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a certificate in Google Docs. Designing a certificate in Google Docs is not as daunting as it might seem, and I'll guide you through each step to ensure your certificate looks professional and polished. Let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and type in google.com. Once you're on the Google homepage, you need to sign in to your Google account. Click on the Sign In button found at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address, click Next, and then type in your password. Once you're logged in, locate the small grid icon in the upper right side of the screen, which gives access to Google Apps, and from there, choose Google Docs. Now that you're within Google Docs, it's time to start creating your certificate. First, open a new document by clicking on the blank option. Your new document is ready, but let's make some adjustments to suit a certificate format better. Click on File located at the top left corner of the screen and select Page Setup. In this menu, switch the orientation to Landscape and click OK to make the document wider, a more suitable format for certificates. Once the document is set to Landscape, the next step is to set up a border. Borders frame your certificate and give it that official look. Click on Insert, then Table, and choose a 1x1 table. You'll now have a single cell table on your document. Drag the edges of the table to cover the entire page. Next, right-click on the table and choose Table Properties. Here, you can adjust the border's color to your preference and increase the border width to make it thicker, which mimics traditional certificate styling. With your border in place, it's time to add a title to your certificate. Click inside the table and type your main heading, such as Certificate of Achievement. Once typed, highlight the text and choose a font that stands out. Something elegant like Great Vibes or Playfair Display works well for certificates. Increase the font size to around 40 to 60 points to ensure it catches attention. After setting up the title, it's time to add the recipient's name and details. Prepare a section with phrasing like "This certificate is proudly presented to," leaving ample space for the recipient's name to be written or typed later. Finally, let's add some decorative elements. Head back to Insert, then select Image to upload a logo or seal that adds authenticity and flair to your certificate. For a final touch, click on Format and then Borders and Shading. Here you can adjust both the border and background color as you like. Once complete, click Apply, and there you have it, a personalized, professional-looking certificate. Remember, the key to designing a great certificate in Google Docs is ensuring everything is well-positioned and legible. Experiment with fonts and colors to match your taste, but make sure they remain appropriate for a formal document. Now, go ahead and apply these tips to create certificates that stand out.